in your mind, what you call it? Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under.
Today I will create a demonstration on how you use the Microsoft Excel and Google Docs. So this is the Microsoft Excel. All you have to do is fill in the blank and create a chart. Like you are going to put the description, categories, and the amount of your expenses, and just highlights the important details and create a chart. As you can see, I have a chart, and that's all my expenses percentage. That it will be a total. And if you are going save and share, save as XLXS and export as PDF. I think it's easy to save and share the Microsoft Excel than the Google Sheets. And today I will be going to demonstrate now the Google Sheets. It's very similar yung ginawa ko sa Microsoft Excel dito sa Google Docs. Ang nagkaiba lang is mas mahirap dito sa Google Sheets kasi maraming mga procedure na kailangan mong tandaan at kung paano siya gawin. Unlike sa Excel na provided na, hindi ka na maghahanap. Like sa mga colors, this is the example. That is the chart. That is the percentage expenses. And also highlights. Always remember highlights the important details. Just continue to highlights until you came of what you expected. And if you're going to save and share, all you have to do is share the link or download as PDF. Just like what inside the video. That's how to share. Convert it into PDF so that you can share it through your friends. If you don't know, you have to do is convert it in the WPS. And you can share it to your classroom, just like